Now the lapsing of legacies, it is from the section 105 to 111. So first is the 105. So in that there are two circumstances in which the legacy can lapse. Now the section 106 is about in what cases the legacy does not lapse. Means the legacy does not lapse in the following cases. First is the legacy does not lapse if one of the two joint legatees die before testator. If a legacy is given to the two persons jointly and one of them dies before the testator, then the other legatee takes the whole. Means the same thing or the same property is given to the two person and one of them dies, then the another one is remaining. That's why this legacy does not lapse. The other legatee takes the whole property. This is section 106. Section 107 is about the effect of the words showing the testator's intention to give distinct shares. Means the effect of the words showing the testator's intention to give distinct shares. Means if a legacy is given to the legatees in words which show that the testator intended to give them the distinct shares of it, then if any legatee dies before testator, so much of the legacy as was intended for him shall fall into the residue of testator's property. Means simply it means that the testator intends to give the property to a person, and in this case the legatee dies before testator, then what will happen? The legacy which was intended for him shall fall into the residue of the testator's property. Another is section 108. Means when the lapsed share goes as undisposed of. Means where a share which lapses is a part of the general residue bequeathed by the will, and that share shall go as undisposed of. Means example, the testator bequeaths the residue of his estate to A, B and C to be equally divided between them. Means the testator has bequeathed the residuary property to the A, B, C and in equal manner, and if A dies before testator, then his 1/3 of the residue shall goes as undisposed of. Means such property will not be disposed. Means his share will not be disposed. It is according to section 108 when the lapsed share goes as undisposed of.